I look like a witch.
You look great. We don't care. We just did modeling photos. Why do you care? Sup, my beautiful pineapples. I'm Rich. What the fuck is wrong with me? Hey guys, what's up? I have my phone here. It's a Pixel phone. I'm a big boy, so it's just 4K. This is freaking 4K.
Look at my hair, though. What?
Hey guys, what's up? So you explain the video because I suck at explaining. What?
Did you just start the video?
Yeah, I did. Alright. I'll show you my managers for this video.
Hey guys, what's up? I've got my cousin here. His name is Aviv.
Oh, you hi.
I'm high. so we're gonna post a video today.
What?
Today we're gonna be sniffing pepper of what you have all been requesting.
We need like blindfolds. You always have to be like.
We've only got grounded pepper, the one with the balls where you have to do it yourself.
And I'll just crush it with this. So
we've got this thing.
Because we're rich. No, I'm just kidding. We live in a farm in New South Wales.
Okay, wait.
Do I mix it? Oh, yeah. I crush it hard.
No, you just smash it up.
Crush. Done. Done.
There we go. Oh my god, that's a bit waffy. That actually worked. Ay, caramba. Oh my god! What the hell?
Continue.
It's like drenched.
I peed myself from my shirt down. I've made so many high jokes today. Are you high? You're freaking high.
Working.
You're bloody high. You're high. What if high, low, high, I have marijuana.
Okay, so that's what it. Oh my god!
It looks like weed.
It looks like weed.
It looks like weed.
It does. It even smells a bit like it. What type of pepper do they have in this house?
My eyes hurt more than my nose. Orange, what's that?
Okay. No, I think that's enough.
Yo, it looks like trying to smuggle weed
really
here.
does.
Swear to
It
God,
really
sure.
does.
Just like, wait, that is just a little cocaine spot. Like,
More pepper.
stop, okay. What the hell? Alright, just stop. Yeah, okay. No, shut up.
Let me stuff that.
You're Bethel! I'm a seaboard, you ISIS.
Okay, guys, so I just found this.
You want to sniff the
Ground white
marijuana. You got
pepper.
to sniff the marijuana, like, frick.
Oh, I don't want to sniff this. I hate doing this.
So my finger? Okay. Nothing.
Did you just sniff it? Did you just? It wasn't even ready. Don't pull it out. You have to embrace it. Ah! I hate this shit. It burns. Is it burning you? You're distracting me.
I don't even need to sneeze. I'm just like. God. Why do you sneeze like you're like? I just like. You're like. Way on my nose. It's only in this nostril though.
I just wet myself a bit. You wet yourself too.
That was because of the water. So I'm an idiot.
Okay, there's gonna be a lot of snot.
I was mixing it in with the weed.
I only got 3 sneezes. Wait. Yep, as well.
It's like snot my eyes, that's your nose wrong. How your nose ring like ripped out of your face.
I know.
She sneezes more than I do. I cannot sneeze, and it's in my nose, which I hate. It's with the way you throw it out to my mouth. Oh. There we go, it's all out. Oh, that's terrible. Do you have paper towels?
I don't think he needs to sneeze at all.
Yeah, I don't. My head Tell.
I just sneezed Mum here.
She did. She sneezed me out of the oblivion. Hi
Are you
everyone.
gonna
It's
sniff-
Sophia's mum.
Are you gonna-
And this is Sophia's cousin.
Been in the video for
I've
like half an
introduced
hour.
him.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been in the video for about 11 minutes and 51 seconds.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Then.
Are you gonna sniff pepper? Do it.
Yeah, it doesn't work on me.
Do it. Just sit.
Oh no,
Do
no,
it.
no, no, because it'll burn my brains
yeah,
out.
no.
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's marijuana.
Shoot.
Oh, that's marijuana.
Shoot. She's gonna sniff some pepper. She's here now. She can't get out of it. She like rubs it in. Is it burning? Just breathe in and out really fast. And out. Yeah.
I don't do that. It's burning for me. Can I sit back now? Woo! Can I sit back now?
Well, now I'm gonna go inside and sneeze like the rest of the night. What's this?
You're blowing my nose.
Oh, get it away. Always. One more sneeze.
Alright, thank you.
All right.
very much.
Your face.
Alright, sit back.
I think I'm gonna. Oh.
It's my tradition.
I need a sit. Oh my god.
Wait, we need to do a thumbnail.
Okay. Did you just sniff wet pepper? Oh my god, he's nuts. Are you okay? Is it burning? It burns, doesn't it? Oh no. It's bad. I'll sniff more to be even with him. Thinner. Oh, that's a bit much. That's a bit much. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh. Ow! Get out! Get out of this! Oh! Get out! You did it! High five the first sneeze!
That was the wrong way, I thought. That was
Bring it
actually
back.
fun. That was actually fun. So,
What?
I said I have physically recovered, but I'll never mentally recover. That was funny.
That's
So,
funny.
Yeah, that was funny.
Okay, so now I'm gonna blindfold him, and I'm gonna
Holy crap, my tooth is about to come out. Continue.
I'm gonna blindfold him with this, and I'm gonna feed him something
Oh, yeah.
that is gonna be very interesting,
like-
and he doesn't know what it is.
Is this like the touch feel me challenge? But yeah, we feel a body part, but it's with cousins, so you're not allowed to do that. So yeah, but
Yeah.
with food, so yeah,
That's exactly
you know what I
what it
mean.
is. Oh my god!
I don't know. I don't know where that teacher's beans. Okay, Bob. Stop.
Okay, so I'm gonna blindfold him. Delicious, thank you.
Meow's gonna be so pissed when she
Okay.
But how am I gonna eat if my
I need
mouth's
like
gonna...
a hair tie or something.
Yeah, I'll just be like,
I'll just tie it. Okay.
I can't breathe. Okay, do that.
You have a big head.
Oh crap, don't give me like Tabasco on
Also.
it. Just promise you won't give me Tabasco, okay?
I promise. Okay. So this is what I'm giving to him?
What is I'm scared. Can I look?
No, you can't look.
Is it like liquid?
It might be a liquid. Tell me.
Don't put a lot. Don't put like a lot. Just a teeny bit, okay?
Okay.
Promise. Pinky promise.
Okay.
Pinky promise it's only gonna be a teeny bit. Thanks. So like only like this much. Put some on the table.
Right.
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Okay, ready?
Here comes...
Open your mouth.
Wait.
It's fine. I'll do it too.
Is this tomato sauce?
Open your mouth. Ah. Your mouth isn't open. Open your mouth. Ah. It keeps going open and
A
closed.
teeny bit open again.
Okay, open it. Like, ah. Ah. That was nothing. Oh my god.
Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me.
Oh my god. Is it hurting?
Look at my eye.
What?
Crap.
Is it spicy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it really spicy?
Not really. I'm overreacting. Time to put the blindfolds to
Oh, here.
Put that on your face so you can't see.
Okay. Now he's gonna go get something to give me. And I'm gonna put this blindfold on.
And I'm gonna sit here to make sure nothing bad happens.
Rage gamer. Oh!
No, he changed it. It's
didn't
only rage
fart.
now. Yeah, I'm farting. I'm just gonna pet some doggos.
Ew, it stinks, Tommy!
So it's gonna taste bad.
Oh
More spicy.
no, what are you gonna give me? Is it spicy?
Really
Look at
spicy. It's the spiciest thing he could find in
It
the
just
cupboard.
dripped on me.
Open your mouth.
No, I'm not having it. No.
It's the spiciest
Don't
thing.
drip it on me then.
Oh, okay.
It's going all over my dress. Okay. Wait. Oh my god.
Actually pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna
What the hell is this? Okay. Ah! That's my sauce! It's all over me! Oh my god!
It's like
That's freaking. It's all over my dress!
oh my god.
Oh my god!
That's why you should have worn like clothes like me before you started.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give him something. This.
I'm not even sure what that thing is. Yeah, Tommy doesn't know what it is. See, that's a sign. It's gonna be disgusting.
Okay. Ready? Open your mouth.
Can I? Oh yeah.
No, you can't hold it. You have to chew it, okay?
Oh, I think I know what that is. Okay, apple. Oh crap!
Apple!
Oh, freaking garlic! Holy crap! Oh, it's garlic, yeah! Oh, is that garlic? Oh.
My turn again. Ah. Okay, you can use that.
Replay.
You can go. Ah. Ew. Okay, just clean it. Okay. Oh my god, there's gonna be you doing that so many times throughout the video.
I know, like, why do I even do that?
He's gonna be like. Oh my god.
I don't try, guys.
Oh
Okay,
no!
look. Good food, but like food.
Yeah.
It's actually disgusting, even when you're supposed to eat it.
No!
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm so scared.
You can't.
Is it on a spoon? Are you gonna give it to me? This better not be spicy.
Alright.
Seriously. Wait, is it spicy, Viv?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Open up.
Not like it's nice.
Oh my god!
It's mayonnaise.
That was so weird. I did not know what that was.
Mayo. The
Oh
thing
my
is,
god, we've made such a mess.
the thing is, alright, wait, let's just show you the mess we've made.
Yeah.
This isn't even our house.
It's like an explosion.
This is my empty.
Look at all this mess we've made.
I know, it's not even our house.
It's so bad. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe
And subscribe to
to my
me too.
channel.
And can you give me a shout out, like again? Cause
Yeah, and I'll put his channel up in the link description below.
the link description's below. You're a freaking retard video editor. Right?
What do you say?
Oh my god, look at this strawberries.
I'm gonna put his channel in the description below.
Yeah, that's good.
He doesn't have many subscribers, but if
I have
you
184.
but if you check out his channel, check out if you like it and subscribe and stuff.
Everyone's gonna like it. I'm a good
But subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.
Bye.